Good morning. It is day number 81. And it was raining all last night. First time on the PCT getting rain all night. And my tent is very wet. And my sleeping bag is wet. Looks like it's going to be showers on and off.
It's getting better and better.
I know, this was the greatest
Trail
section
magic.
ever. I can get rid of my
Water
piss
in
bottle.
here with electrolyte packets and some granola bars. And this is great because then I don't have to go far off trail down a steep hill to a spring to get water. I can just grab some right here. Thank you. Still walking up on the rim. And you can see mountains all on the other side. Looks like the clouds are clearing up. A trail register, and this is a proper one. They're even asking for permit numbers. I didn't bother putting mine. I just put a frog. And Lost, I don't even know what he drew. This is the trailhead for Lost Creek, which is all the way down there, but thanks to the Trail Magic, don't need to go there. Thank you again, Trail Angels. I love you. Very pretty flowers in this section. I'm standing in the Sugarloaf Fire. Are your feet hot? Well, maybe from hiking, not from a fire from 2009. Ha ha.
I used to do some backpacking myself. This your first time doing the trail?
Overlook. From the overlook, you can see Mount Bernie and Mount Shasta, but it's cloudy down there, so not the best view. And over here is Lassen, once again, hidden by the clouds. Super cool overlook spot. Welcome to Subway Cave. Whoa! Oops. Go down these stairs to enter the cave. It's scary in here and super dark. I can't even see anything in front of me. Whoa, don't go into the wall. So this is a lava tube that twists and turns. They do have some markers in here, so you don't... And there's some water dripping on me in here. Old station fill up. But we are going to JJ's Cafe.
Did you go?
Hello,
yeah,
Squish.
Got from there.
JJ's Cafe menu even has the quote from Wild from Cheryl Strayed about when she came in. Lazy Hazy IPA. I have
my address? It's
You be in the video.
I'm never gonna grow up. I'm never gonna grow up.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Hey, and what's your name? Anne.
And from
It's my restaurant. I can photo bomb if I want.
JJ's Cafe. The gas station has Lassen Peak Winery, and one of their wines is Redneck Red. You know you're a redneck if you drink this wine. That's pretty funny. Okay, needing to get the bug stuff because mosquitoes are just too bad.
Thank you.
In the gas station.
Appreciate it.
Got my 2-day resupply at the gas station. So it's just like candy and chips.
Just hold on there 1 second. You dickhead! Getting bit by ants. Like, what's he doing?
Cat Creek Resort and RV Park. And just outside Old Station. Motel room. And we're gonna lay out all our tents to dry. I went and got some pizza and beer at the resort camp, and I got a giant bag of popcorn for only 50 cents because they were closing and throwing it out.
That's good.
Coors Banquet is my favorite of the American domestics.
19 to Chester.
Huh. That's not much. Oh.
No, that's not bad.
Look, it's raining outside. So glad we're in the motel. Because it burns! It burns! No, dry. Banana time. Yeah. No, I edit them. It's banana time.
And then.
Oh, Mont Blanc is so close.
Going ultralight.